Hello, I'm here at 206 West Cherry Place in Deland, Florida, Victoria Trails here. I'm going to do a little virtual tour. I'll show you a little bit of the neighborhood. That car is running there, obviously. Informal tour we're going to do. This home was built in 2006, has 1,705 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, split floor plan. It's beautiful landscaping all around. Sorry to get you into that light there, but you can see it's gorgeous. Seller's getting ready to do a little more trimming on that. It's got this beautiful front here, nice welcoming area. Out back, we're on a pond, and so I'll show you that in just a minute. Security system, 9'4" ceilings, tray ceiling here in the foyer, and then you also see it in the primary suite as well. A dining area, and I'll take you over here to the main living area. Then we'll head to the kitchen. There's a back screen porch there. Hopefully we'll get this right the first time, and it'll be good. Breakfast area, granite countertops, of course, tall cabinets, stainless steel appliances, pendant lighting, large reach-in pantry, gas stove and water heater. Nice reach-in pantry. Sorry folks, I had the trash can in there. So you kind of get a feel for what it is. It's real light in here. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. Okay, primary suite has access here to the back. You can see the pond from there. Tray ceilings here, of course. Wood flooring, wood laminate flooring in here. I'll spin around to the back so you can see it from the other angle. Of course, actually I'll be getting this in a minute, but so you see there's 2 vanities, garden tub, no jets, walk-in shower, water closet with some storage, large walk-in closet with I forget the name of it, but closet storage stuff. Closet by Design, I believe it is. It's expensive stuff anyways. Really nice. It's in there, and it's also in bedroom number 3. So we're going to go take a little walk and head down to through the hallway here. Let's look at the next bedroom. This is what I call bedroom 2. He uses this as an office space. He does have the closet doors here. They'll be on. Okay. Head into the guest bath, tub shower combo. Nothing fancy here. Nice lighting. Home's in excellent condition. Indoor laundry room. He has a refrigerator here that will not convey. So he has an upright, stackable washer and dryer. Of course, a regular washer and dryer will fit in here. So let's go take a look at this is bedroom. This is the other bedroom I was talking about. Here's the closet. Let me open these doors up so you can kind of get a look in here. Okay. Really makes for a lot more room. And sorry, the cellar has some stuff in here. His workout room. So, okay, well, let's leave out of here. And let's head back out to the, let's go through this way just so you can get a look here. And let's go take a look out back. 3 pocket sliders, vertical blinds. Nice light out here that's pretty nice in the evenings especially. Plenty of wildlife. I'm seeing deer out here. Irrigation. Of course, Victoria Park, Victoria Trails where we are, has all sorts of activities, tennis, pickleball, playgrounds, pools, fitness centers. They've really got it all. So, oh, this home has a solar system as well. I forgot about that. Has a low balance left. His utility bills are practically zero. So, thanks for watching.